In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Trello board permissions efficiently. Managing board permissions effectively is crucial for maintaining your project's privacy, collaboration, and control. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to help you navigate these settings. First, head over to the Trello website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to choose your login method. You can log in using an email account, Google, Microsoft, or any other supported platform. Whichever you choose, just make sure to access your account successfully so we can get started with managing your board permissions. Once logged in, you'll need to locate the board you want to modify. Click on the board to open it. From there, you'll see the menu on the right-hand side. Look for the Show Menu button if it's not already visible and click on it. This area is where you'll find all options related to board settings and permissions. Next, click on the Settings option in the menu. Within the settings, there's a section dedicated to permissions, which is what we're interested in for today. Here, you can configure various aspects of how users interact with and access your board. Firstly, let's talk about commenting permissions. Under the commenting settings, you have several choices depending on your needs for user interaction. If you set it to Disabled, no one will be able to leave comments. This could be ideal if you want to maintain a static board without user feedback. If you choose Members, only the board members can comment, making it a more controlled way to gather insights. Alternatively, select Members and Observers if you want to extend commenting rights to both members and observers. For broader collaboration, either workspace members or any Trello user might be suitable. Remember that these last two options are only available if your board is public. Beyond comments, you can decide who has the authority to add or remove members. You can either grant this privilege to all members, which includes both the board's members and admins, or restrict it to admins only for tighter control over who can join the project activities. Now, let's adjust your board's visibility settings. Visibility is crucial for both privacy and collaboration, so choose wisely. If you set the board to private, only members invited to the board will be able to see it. This setting is ideal for confidential projects. The Workspace option allows all members of your workspace to view the board, a great choice for internal team collaboration. If collaboration is intended to reach far and wide, setting your board to public will let anyone on the internet see your board, perfect for open source projects or sharing with broader communities. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have full control over your Trello board permissions, ensuring that your project is both secure and collaborative. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.